Ready to go get something to eat?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's eat! Hi, welcome to Hunt and Gather with the Chatters. Today we're going frog hunting outside of Williams, Arizona. You ready to go get something to eat?
Let's do it. So today we're going to be frog hunting, and it's a little bit different from frog gigging in the sense that you're not actually using a frog gig, which is like a long stick that has a couple of sharp prongs at the end to basically spear the frog. But today we're going to be using a pellet gun for hunting them, and also a pole with a little piece of yarn at the end to attract them, and hopefully they'll grab onto it, and then we can use our net to get them.
A whap. Get him, babe. Oh, he's a good sized one. Holy cow. Woo!
Hold it up.
Look at you. Smoking shot. Nice shot, Fern.
Okay, Cindy just spotted a frog just below this rock band. You for sure didn't get him?
For sure didn't get him. He chopped away.
Okay.
Did you see him respond?
No, when you're the shooter, you can't tell nothing.
Well, I think we need to not do freestanding shots, and we need rest like Fern had.
You're swearing.
Okay. You tell me where you want me to be. Okay. Get the gun pointed in a safe direction, please. Here is good.
No more, I can't.
see him? I'll do it. Where?
Right there.
Right here?
Yep. More to the right.
Did he?
He
I
kind of
saw him go down, but I couldn't. We need a stouter stick.
Where's the other one?
She's right.
Get him, get him, get him. Oh, you're such a smoking shot. Are you kidding me? 2 before me and Daddy even get 1?
I got two.
Right through the.
Oh, get him, get him, get him.
Get him.
He's not totally
Before
done.
he
Get a
jumps in.
rope. Get a stick.
Grab him before he jumps in.
Grab him, man.
Sorry, little dude.
Got him?
Got his leg.
Okay. You're doing. You just be brave. Be brave. Be brave. All right.
Good job, Bubba.
See where I shot him?
Okay. Again, safe shot. This is creeping me out.
Okay, Cindy spotted one. I don't see it, but she's gonna try to sneak up to that tree for a rest.
She's gonna push a block. That tree's like a foot from the wall.
Let's not spook it. Did you get him? Did you get him? He's there, he's there. Let me get him. Hold this.
Don't lose him.
Good job.
He's a big one. Yeah,
He's
yeah.
nice. I never saw him the whole time.
It was his head was just barely popping.
Okay, Mike, go grab him.
Yeah, show him off.
Heck yeah!
Good
I
job.
guess the ladies in the family are a little bit better shot than.
Look at that tongue,
gentleman.
man.
Yeah,
Is that a tongue?
Sorry for that big shot.
Or is that a.
hold him out one
That
time.
is his tongue, honey. Hey, honey, you're psyching yourself out. Okay, I'm gonna be the rest and the filmer. Shh, shh, no, I won't.
Just slightly. I'm almost afraid to do it more than that. So.
Okay.
Ready?
You got him. He's right there. Fern, scoop him.
Yeah, baby.
Finally.
You got him, Fern?
It's really muddy, guys.
Do you have shoes?
You got
that
this.
can be ready? Man, I'm starting to go crazy.
Yeah.
Can you hold this?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of just drag it towards you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I was actually eyeballing a different one that whole time.
Yeah, I
The
knew.
biggest, but I'll take it.
He's the bestest for you because he's your first. Nice. Okay, that means that me and Fern can still shoot another one. I think I missed one. Dip down.
Get in front of me, please. You're gonna be the best.
Okay. You don't want to get a little bit closer.
I like this.
Okay.
Are you sure there's a frog there?
Yes. Can you see it or not?
Oh my god, there's two now.
I know. So that one's a little bit closer. I would maybe go for the closer one, unless it looks like he's significantly smaller.
They look like the same size.
All right, then go for the one that's closer because that'll give you better accuracy.
His whole body is up on that one.
make the call, okay?
Okay.
Oh, now the other one's gone, right? Or no, he's moving out. Okay, now he's gotten into a better position for you.
I want to shoot a little closer.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. Good. He's real nice.
There was like 3 in that scene. I didn't know which one to shoot.
You shot the good one.
That one I didn't shoot as good.
Check out this snake. Cool snake. Okay, so we got our frogs. We got 5 of them. You can see mine, he's not exactly the biggest. Fern was actually the prize shooter this time. But anyhow, we got some good ones. We were hoping to get 6 because that would be 4 legs for each person. But this will be good enough. We're gonna cut in front of this bone here. Just cut down about halfway. Okay. Then we're gonna grab that skin. And then we're gonna, another pair of pliers would be nice, but we're gonna grab that and we're just gonna pull. There we go. Okay, once we get the skin removed, then we'll just go ahead and cut the top half of the frog off. And there's our frog legs. We got our frog legs all cleaned. You know, they're real pretty. I splashed them with some soy sauce. And actually they've been sitting in our fridge, marinating in soy sauce for a couple hours, but there's no real need to marinate them. You could just splash them with soy sauce right when you're getting ready to cook them. And then I'm going to use a seasoning that I use for all kinds of wild game. It's called Franklin County Barbecue. This is their Truth Rub. And it's actually a buddy of mine. He has a catering business. He makes it. But you can get on Facebook and look up Franklin County Barbecue. And it's just a good all-purpose seasoning for meat. It's really good on wild game, but it's even good on like fish and frog legs. So I'm going to sprinkle that on it. And it's actually a meat rub, but I'm kind of using it just as a seasoning. And then I'll sprinkle some more once I put it in the pan on the other side. Now sprinkle this side. Okay, and they won't take too long to cook, just a few minutes each side. So I ended up cooking them about probably 4 minutes on each side. But you can see they're just nice and brown on each side, and they're starting to fall off the bone, and should be really good.
Let's eat! Alright, so we got back from our special frog hunting spot, and let's let the star of the day try his first. It's Father's Day.
Yeah, I was gonna say the real star of the day is Fern. She's the one that made the killer shots. But got a big old piece of the thigh there. Dip it in a little Red Devil. Yeah, that's awesome.
Good?
Not to mention we got a little Spanish rice that Cindy made. And some
So I'm gonna try a piece of the quad. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's like, it kind of tastes like chicken, but it's super, super soft and like it comes right off the bone. But yeah, it's really good.
Well, if you guys are able to pull it off the bone with a fork, then it's definitely tender. Let's see here. So let's see. Yeah, it's a little morsel of chicken, essentially, but from a frog.
So Fern brought up a good point. They do kind of taste like chicken, but to me it's like a cross between chicken and fish. Is the way I'd describe it.
It's a softer meat than chicken, is it? It's not dry at all.
Yeah, it has like the texture of fish, but the taste of chicken.
Well, thanks for watching Hunt and Gather with the Chatters.
We'll see you next time when we go get something to eat. We're gonna go ahead and enjoy the rest of our meal, but if you get a chance, please subscribe. It's free and it would really help us out.